letter N. Let's hear my story.
Nina sat in her cozy nest. She found a newspaper and read about tasty nuts. Nina smiled and said,
I'll find some nuts for lunch.
Then she happily flew away.
That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next. Hello, everyone. I'm the letter O. Let's hear my story.
One night, Ollie the owl was flying in the sky. He saw an ostrich dancing in the garden. Ollie laughed and said,
Nice dance, ostrich.
The ostrich smiled and thanked Ollie.
Thank you, Ollie. That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.